4 months after joining MNC, Kochi girl gives into work pressure. She passed away allegedly due to work-related stress just 4 months after joining a multinational company. I'm sure this news is not the only news which we hear of the sorts. We hear people undergoing such kind of stress that such young people, they are either succumbing to heart failures or they are committing suicides. Where is this leading us? What can we do about this? Can we do something about this? Is it in our circle of influence? What can we do about it? Communication. Simi, that's the only thing you keep talking about. That's the only thing that I know how to do because I swear by it. It's not only I could not have done anything else in my life, I could have, but when I read communication, when I read psychology, and then henceforth neuro-linguistic programming and neuroscience after that, my belief in how the most important thing on life, in life, on earth and sky, I feel is communication. With communication, we can let go of, we can reduce and almost get it to zero such concerns and such bad news that are happening in our lives nowadays. Had we ever heard of 26-year-old and 24-year young boys and girls getting heart attacks, cardiac arrests, committing suicides, work pressure? What should we do about it? Work pressure kam nahi kar sakte, we can't reduce the work pressure. What should we do? We should talk. We should do communication trainings. You do them with me, you do them with Santa Claus. If you can just do communication trainings for your employees, you can just open up forums for them where they can openly talk without the fear of being judged, without the fear of losing their jobs, without the fear of getting biased against and biased towards. So it has to be a complete hardcore kind of a battle front and a huge endeavor, a huge project which should be done with all the project management steps, wherein all the steps are controlled, monitored, and they are assessed, and then the learnings are then put back into the system. Project management properly, it should be done. So all the stakeholders, they are held equally responsible. All the stakeholders, we would know that which stakeholder is going to be affected how. So all those stakeholders are not affected in those manners, and if they are affected, then there are no retaliations, there are no crossfires that are happening. All of this can be taken care of. It is project management, yeah. You guys know it. I don't have to tell you. Once this is done, then will that bring about beautiful and ideal utopian kind of a situation where everybody is able to talk? Yes, it will. It will. And what will happen because of that? These things will not happen. What will happen because of that? Productivity will increase. What will happen because of that? Employee retention would happen. What will happen because of that? Culture of the organization will increase. This is my nth video on culture and kind of getting tired of speaking about it. The people who really want to bring about a cultural change, give me a chance. Give me one chance. Let me just prove it. If you like it, good. If not, then you can give me a rotten negative feedback about me and I'm ready to take it because that will improve me. So, psychology in communication. Psychology, what happens with psychology? क्या हो जाता है psychology से in communication? Simple एक चीज हो जाती है, human behavior पता चल जाता है, human nature पता चल जाता है, you think better, you behave better, you are friendlier, you are emotionally more resilient, you are emotionally much more intelligent, your EQ goes up. What else are we living for? The place when everybody comes to the office, when everybody comes to the workplaces, if it is a beautiful place where people are laughing and yet all the work is getting done beautifully and productivity is just going up the charts, don't we want such a place? So please add psychology in communication because that will teach the other person communication style of the other person, communication behavior of the other person, communication type of the other person, then the filter of the other person, then what ticks him, what motivates him, what limits him. He'll come to know all of that, and he'll come to know all of this of himself also. Then when he has come to know all of this, when does he have to use the left side, when does he have to use the right side, when he has to use reward, when he has to use the punishment, when he has to use sage, when he has to be a saboteur. ये जो सारी psychology बड़े बड़े लोगों ने, all the big people, Stephen Covey and very big names have done such trainings. Why are they not coming down or really coming to the people, to our employees, to our beautiful, beloved people who work for us and who work with us? Let's do it for them. Give me a chance, I'll do it. Psychology in Communication. Open Forum. 6C Forum. Communication Forum. I swear by it. If you want to bring about a real change in the culture of your organization, improve the productivity and make your people happy. If you really want to make your people happy, I am shouting out to all the CEOs, all the founders, all the directors of all the big multi-millionaire, billionaire business houses and even not multi-millionaire business houses. I'm calling out to Tata, I'm calling out to Birla, I'm calling out to Adani's, I'm calling out to multinational companies. Do this with me, without me, but do this. And if you do with me, give me a chance. If I'm making such a bold statement on the net, allow me to do it, I'll bring about a change. It'll be a beautiful place to work. Thank you.